How to keep your vision healthy. Lack of sleep prevents the eyes from recovering from daily work. During night, epithelial cells are regenerated in the eye. Eye hygiene is very important. You shouldn't touch your eyes with your hands as this can infect them. We must avoid unnecessary efforts in your eyes. Not wearing the correct vision correction glasses forces our eyes to make more effort, which is dangerous. It's very important to eliminate the object we're looking at, like books, mobile phones, TV, etc. But make sure there's no glare and no direct light hits our eyes. We have to keep a sufficient distance from the object we're looking at least 2 meters of TV, and we read and writing try to stay around 35 to 40 centimeter. Eating behavior is very important to health of our eyes. A healthy diet with vitamins like vitamin A, C, E, and antioxidant has many benefits to eye health. When traveling by car, avoid reading or doing other close-up activities. When working at close range, you need to take care of the ambient light. Don't watch television from less than 2 meters and make sure you maintain good posture. You need to keep the room bright and not dark. Protect our eyes with certified sunglasses. Leave the screen about 50 centimeters away and slightly below eye level. You should have your eyes checked at least once a year, especially from the age of 40, and if there is a history of eye-related disease. Wipe dust off your computer screen to sharpen it. Keep your back and neck straight. Feet flat on the floor and bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Try to rest for 2 to 3 minutes every 15 to 20 minutes. Use this opportunity to stretch your arms, legs, and back. Don't read or study when you're too tired or going to sleep. Don't read or study right after you wake up in the morning. Wait at least an hour for your eyes to adjust. Don't get too close when reading, writing, or tilting your head or back. Take advantage of the time out for other tasks not related to computer use. Adjust the font. Adjust the font size on the screen to a size that is easy for you to read. Importance of hobbies. Free time is extremely important. It balances the stressful everyday life and ensures that you don't get lost in your work. Having a hobby is very important, and we're going to know why. Hobbies kill stress. Your daily life is stressful. As much fun you can have with the school, studies, or your job, they are also very exhausting and demand a lot from you. Having a hobby can help you reduce and relieve stress, especially if you can be physically active. Hobbies make you interesting. Would you like to speak longer with someone who works for a living but does nothing? Certainly not for long. A common or similar hobby, on the other hand, connects people. People with particularly unusual hobbies or those who are experiencing a successful hobby will be praised about it, even if the other person can't imagine anything about it. With a hobby that you love and live, you always have something to say. Hobbies are what you want to do. You can always do what you really want with life. During your training and also at work, there are always tasks that you absolutely don't want to do. You choose your hobby yourself and you want to do it. Those who are allowed to do what they really want from time to time are happier and more balanced and can cope better with everyday life. Hobbies can be healthy. Exercise can be a hobby. Anyone who is passionate about and actively participating in sports in their free time actively supports stress relief through exercise, promotes a healthy immune system, and builds muscles that can ensure you don't become overweight anytime soon. Your hobby is getting results. Do you work with wood, metal, or other materials in your hobby workshop? Can you fix the cars, build furniture, draw pictures, cook? With many hobbies, there is a visible result at the end. You can either enjoy it yourself, maybe save some money, donate your services, or if you're good at it, even sell it. Your hobby keeps talent alive. Professions can always use all of your talent and they can make you unhappy in the long run. Before you feel underchallenged or ignored, take your talent as a hobby and don't let them sleep in you. Hobbies create friendships. There are some hobbies that can be practiced on your own, and if you like that, they are perfect for you. Most of the time, however, you get to know people through your hobby, and it's easy to make a new friends because you have a common interest. Sport is particularly demanding, as you often play in a team or club in a way, and these hobbies quickly become more than just a team sport.